I just discovered that some people don't know the reason why Enugu State is called 042. 042 is not just a number, it's an identity. Back in the early days of telecom in Nigeria, each city has its own telephone area code. And 042 happens to be Enugu State's telephone area code, just the way Nigeria's country code is called +234. Back in those days, Enugu telephone area code was 042. And it's not just Enugu, other southeast cities has their own telephone area code, just like Onitsha is 046, Oka is 048, Owerri is 083, Aba is 082, Umuahia is 088, Abakaliki is 043. These old codes are not just a number, they are also part of our identity. So next time you hear someone say 042, 046, 088, remember these are not just numbers. 042 is Enugu, 046 is Onitsha. Remember that.